What's up, people? So it's been a minute since I made a video. Today I'm gonna make a quick 5-minute video on how to redo your headlights. Make sure to watch till the end. So this is one of the salvage vehicles that I've been working on, and as you can see, I replaced that headlight and it just looks terrible. So I'm actually gonna show y'all how to make those headlights look like new. So this right here is what I start off with. I'm gonna wet sand it with 2000 grit just to get some of the dirt and stuff off the headlight. And then medium cut compound. You can just use any kind of rubbing compound. And then show car glaze. You can get these at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. I think they're like $7 a bottle. And then I also have this to help me with less handwork. Alright guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and cleaned off both headlights, 2000 grit, and now I'm about to add some rubbing compound on it. After you do the rubbing compound, you want to wipe it off. As you can see, that headlight already looks way better. And you want to do the same to the other side. So first step is to wet sand it with 2000 grit. And then after that, you do rubbing compound. After you do the rubbing compound, then you can polish it. Here's a close-up of the finished product. So as you can see, not perfect, but way better. They both finally match. And you can go over it as many times as you want to. This is just the first time I did it. But more than likely tomorrow I'll come back, wipe the headlight off with some sort of cleaner, and then put a coat of wax just to make that last even longer. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.